Hi, today we're going to show you how to do a firmware update on the Laser NAVC-818 crash cam. So here we are on the Laser website. We're just going to go ahead and search for the 818 camera. Okay, so just select that from the list and go down to the download section here. Now you want to download this file here, the firmware and map update. So just click on that and you'll see the download start down here. Okay, now once that's finished downloading, you want to go to File Explorer on your computer and go to where you would normally save your downloads. So in my case it's the downloads folder. So here's the file here. Okay, so you need a zip program to extract this file. So we're just going to go ahead and show you which one we recommend. It's a free program. You can download a program called WinZip. Okay, so just download and install that. It's free and it'll allow you to extract files. So once that's installed, you go back to this file here and you can go to this Win7zip or WinZip option here, and you have some options here. For me, I like to just extract to a folder. Okay, so let that do its thing. You're also going to need a micro SD card, which is what we'll be putting into the camera to complete the update. So I've got mine plugged in here. Okay, so once this finishes, I'll show you how to copy those files over. So here's the folder here. Okay, so here's your instructions, which is basically what I'm talking you through at the moment. So if you just want to have a read of that, if you get confused at any point. Okay, so step one is the actual firmware update. So we want to get all three of these files and copy them over to our micro SD card. So what I'm also going to do is format it just to give it a clean. So format, okay, quick format, FAT32 is what you want to use. Okay, so just go ahead and let that finish. Format complete. Now I'm just going to go back to that and copy my files there. Okay, now that those files have been copied, we're going to go over to the 818 camera and install the firmware update. Okay, now for step 2 of the process, which is the map update, we're going to go ahead and copy this whole folder over to our micro SD card. Again, you want to make sure this card is blank, so if you used it previously for step 1 update for the firmware, you just want to go ahead and format it again. Okay, so just wait for that to finish and go ahead and paste that whole folder in there. Now what I've done is because I've got two micro SD cards, I've copied step 1 onto one card and step 2 onto the other card, just so I can show you both those steps one after the other when I record the last section of the video, which is actually updating the device. But if you've only got one micro SD card, you want to copy step 1, do the update from the last step, and then format the card and copy the second step, which is this folder here, onto the card, and then again do the step from the last section of the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is actually go over to the 818 camera and show you how to install both of those in order. So step 1 first and then step 2 second. Okay, thank you. Okay, so here we are at the 818 camera with my step 1 and step 2 updates. So I've got the device off currently, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the step 1 update in. Okay, and turn it on. Now as soon as you turn it on, you should actually be prompted for the firmware update. So currently the cursor is on X, so I just want to press up, go to yes and press OK, and it's going to start the update. Okay, so just let it do its thing. It will reset once it's finished. Okay, which it's doing now. Now, when the device turns back on, you just want to stop that and take the SD card out. Okay, and go ahead and turn it off. Okay, while that's off, I'm going to put the second step in. Now, if you only had the one micro SD card, obviously you'd go ahead and copy the step 2 over as I showed you earlier in the video, and then you would come back to this step. So now that that's in there, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so now that's detected a data update. So that's actually the map update it's going to be doing. So again, I just want to press up and go to the tick there and press OK. Now, this one will actually take a little bit longer to do. There's a little bit more data there that it has to process, so just bear with me while it does that. Okay, again, once this particular process finishes, it will just reset the device. Upon reset, okay, so after the update completes, the device is going to reset, and you'll probably be prompted for the update again because you've still got the SD card in there. If you want to just go ahead and take it out and press X. Okay, so we can just go ahead and press the menu button, and just to check the update is being completed successfully, we're going to go over to version info, press OK. Now you should be showing the following information: version 20506.4K, which is the current update. So as long as it's showing that and there was no errors during the update, then your maps and your firmware update should be complete, which concludes our video. Thank you.